Hello, you're watching Torque King TV. I'm Matt, your product highlight video host. Today, I'm showcasing the TK50105 output and remote input ball bearing for NP205, the NP201, NP200 transfer cases. This premium bearing is made right here in the USA. This original equipment quality, deep groove type ball bearing provides outstanding performance and life for fixed and slip yoke applications. The bearing terms maximum capacity and deep groove refer to the number and method of inserting the bearing balls during bearing manufacturing. Maximum capacity bearings have a loading slot in each raceway, which allows the maximum number of balls to be inserted between the raceways. This increases the radial load capacity of the bearings to the maximum, but it lowers the amount of thrust load the bearings can take compared to the deep groove type bearing, which has less radial capacity but greater thrust capacity due to the deeper, uninterrupted raceway grooves. To handle thrust loads from the drive shaft, the NP205 transfer case uses the TK50105 deep groove ball bearings for remote mount input shafts and both output shafts. Do not use TK50105 deep groove type bearings on direct mount NP205 input shafts. Order TK50119 instead. For tech notes and applications, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web by clicking the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and comment on what you saw, or even let us know if there's a product you want to see. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes up. We are working hard to give you good information here at Torque King. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck keeping your rig on the road.